So next, we would like to recognize all of our interns, or excuse me, all of our graduates in their programs that they have completed.
Good morning. Thank you. My name is Kelsey Williams, and I am one of the program recruitment coordinators here for the ATA program, and I will be recognizing our industrial welding graduates. Okay, our first person is going to be Joe Nathan Blade. Robert Burkhalter. Douglas Clark. Damian Efert. Yusuf El Aladi. Javon Harris. Jacob Jarose. All right, if I can go off just a little bit here. So a huge part of what Miguel and myself do as program recruitment coordinators is that every week we go out to schools, community centers, churches, wherever people are, and we find young people to come and be in our program. And it's very specifically written into my career goals to bring more women into manufacturing. So I find myself every single day talking about these two young ladies. So first I'd like to call up Christiana Mickens. And Deasia Payne. Now, these are two young women in the field of manufacturing. Last semester, we had one young woman in welding. This semester, we had two. I believe for next semester, we're poised to have three, so I truly do believe the future is female. Next up is Irel Townsend. Mr. Rasheem Wade Jr. Nakari West. Clarence Woodford. And Luis Torres.